Backups alone aren't enough to protect data from ransomware, because without air gap and immutability, they're just another target for ransomware to encrypt. Curious? Let's talk about it. A traditional backup system has several vulnerable endpoints, or as we like to call them, surface of attacks. The surface of attacks include backup servers, switches, and the storage stack. Ransomware attacks exploit these surface of attacks to gain access to the network and encrypt all connected devices, including backup servers. With backup encrypted, you can't recover data or restore operations. Air gap isolates target storage from production network. This reduces surface of attacks and protects data from ransomware, while immutability prevents changes and modifications for a set retention period. By automating air gap and immutability, you can make sure that backup and DR is ransomware-proof, compliant, and easy to manage. Ransomware attacks infect connected devices. Since air gap repositories are isolated, the data stored in them is safe. Similarly, since immutable storage are read-only and cannot be modified or deleted, they make sure that ransomware cannot encrypt data either. Automation makes ransomware protection reliable, reduces management overhead, and prevents human error. Big vendors suggest cape arrays as a means to set up air gapping, while immutability is something most vendors are either working towards or already offering as an additional license or service. What's important to note here is that none of these mainstream solutions offer a turnkey backup and DR solution with all of these features built into them. That's the key differentiator between these vendors and StoneFly. StoneFly backup and DR solutions offer fully turnkey automated air gap and immutability for seamless and compliant ransomware protection. More on this on StoneFly website. Check out the link in the description. That's it for this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.